Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the EA app on your Windows computer. So this is from Electronic Arts and it's formerly known as the Origin app. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install it directly from the publisher. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, type in EA app into Google search, and this should be directly from Electronic Arts. You want to get it directly from them, so go ahead and download it. So you can select the download the EA app directly on the main homepage here, and then you can select the Windows download or the Mac option depending on your operating system. Once it's done downloading the installer, you can go ahead and open that up to run it and select Let's Go. Select Yes. I believe the one option to customize, if you went through the customize options, is if you wanted to have a desktop shortcut or not, which you can just easily remove that if you so choose. At least at the time of this recording, there might be different options they might add down the road, so you probably do want to do a custom install, but it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, we can see that EA has been installed, and we'll have an option to sign into our account or create a new account or sign in with a phone number or one of our many different social media accounts up here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.